Picture this. It's a Friday night, you're ready to unwind after a long week, and bam! The faucet in your bathroom decides to stage its own personal Niagara Falls. Water everywhere. Panic sets in as you scramble for your phone, frantically searching for your landlord's number. You finally get a hold of him. And after what feels like an eternity explaining the situation, his response is less than helpful. Did you try jiggling the handle? Jiggling the handle? Seriously? This, my friends, is the life of a tenant, at the mercy of landlords who seem to exist in a different dimension. A dimension where leaky faucets are solved by a good jiggle, and maintenance requests are met with the enthusiasm of a sloth on a treadmill. But hey, at least you can paint the walls, right? Oh wait, we've all been there. Stuck in the rent cycle, dreaming of the day we can finally tell our landlords where to stick their jiggle-the-handle advice. But what if I told you there's a way out? What if you could escape the tyranny of landlords and become the king or queen of your own castle? Remember that time you wanted to hang a picture? You know, just a small one to add a touch of personality to your otherwise bland walls. But before you could even say hammer and nail, your landlord materialized, shaking his head and muttering something about structural integrity. Structural integrity. Or how about that time you dared to ask if you could have a pet, just a goldfish? You pleaded, something to liven up the place. But your landlord, in his infinite wisdom, declared that goldfish were a slippery slope to anarchy, a gateway drug to a menagerie of unwanted creatures. Goldfish are a slippery slope to anarchy. And who could forget the classic random inspections? You know the ones, where your landlord decides to grace you with their presence unannounced, just to make sure you're not running an illegal petting zoo in your living room. It's enough to make you want to scream, right? But fear not, my fellow renters, for there is a light at the end of this tunnel. Imagine a place where you can paint the walls any color you desire. A place where pets roam free, within reason, of course. A place where leaky faucets are met with swift action, not jiggle the handle advice. This, my friends, is the glorious reality of homeownership. No more landlords, no more absurd rules. Just you and the freedom to create a space that truly feels like home. Imagine hosting a barbecue in your own backyard, planting a garden without fear of eviction, or finally adopting that rescue dog you've been eyeing. Owning a home is about more than just bricks and mortar. It's about building a life on your own terms. It's about taking control of your future and investing in an asset that will grow in value over time. Section 4. Take charge. Your dream home awaits. You might be thinking, sounds great, Chip, but home ownership is just a distant dream for me. But let me tell you, it doesn't have to be. With a little planning and determination, that dream can become a reality. Think about it. Every month you're paying your landlord's mortgage. What if those payments were going towards building your own equity, your own future? It's time to stop being a tenant and start thinking like a homeowner. It's time to take charge of your destiny and create a future where you call the shots. The first step, knowledge is power, and that's where a good home buyer course comes in. Section 5. Unlock the door to home ownership. Your journey starts now. A homebuyer course will equip you with the tools and knowledge you need to navigate the exciting world of home ownership. You'll learn about mortgages, down payments, credit scores, and all the other ins and outs of buying a home. Plus, did you know that there are often financial incentives available for first-time home buyers? That's right, the government wants you to own a home too. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step towards financial freedom, towards building a brighter future for yourself and your family. Fire Your Landlord and unlock the door to your dream home. Your journey starts now.